Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you UKQ, UK approved, International Certificate in Advanced Excel course. Our Microsoft Office Diploma is an intensive course dedicated to giving you the technology skills you need within just 4 weeks. You'll learn Microsoft Office to a good business standard level, or if you wish, you can move to expert level. This fast-paced diploma will teach you the skills you need in a short space of time. Participants will learn how to use basic plus advanced functions plus VBA macro of Excel to improve productivity, enhance spreadsheets with templates, charts, graphics, and Excel formulas, and streamline their operational work. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at training@iitpakistan.com.pk.